Hey there, Dr. Chris with EHS Physical Therapy Chiropractic, as well as the Herniated Disc Fix online. So I wanted to unbox and talk about the Yaheetech dumbbell. So it's an adjustable dumbbell set. These ones go up to, I believe, 40 pounds, which is fantastic. So being able to adjust the dumbbell to the needs that to the weights that you need at any time without having to buy multiple dumbbells, 5s, 10s, 15s, 20s, is very convenient. So like I said, its own package here and base. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so right out the box, I can tell really high quality, easy to adjust the weights. You've got different metal plates that signify the different weights. So fully on is 40, and then all the way down to 3 pounds. All right, so let's go further into this thing. So this is the best part about this one, is that you easily can change the weights based on just turning the handle. So you have 40, and then so 40 would be the whole, all the weights down to the cradle, okay? You have to bring it back into the cradle, and you just turn the handle, and it goes from 40 to 3, and then anywhere in there you can just dial it in, 7, 13, 14 and a half, 17, here's 20 pounds, okay? So as we get these up, 24, 27, 29, 31, 36, there's 36, and then all the way back to 40. So a little bit of some odd numbers as far as like the poundages. It's not a steady, like standard 5, 10, 15, 20, but still 3 all the way to 40. I'm guessing it's probably because it's in kilograms. That's been converted into standard, weights for us. So 20 pounds here, really, it's really solid. It's I can move it around. I could do, things overhead and really be aggressive with it. And it seems very solid, well put together piece of equipment.